What I love about this quality home is that all of the living spaces are focused around a central northern courtyard. It means that you have beautiful light in this home at all times of the day and through all seasons of the year. This is such a brilliant family home. It has separation of living spaces, high ceilings, gleaming timber floors, stone bench tops, and such giant spaces, wall spaces everywhere to hang your artwork, so it really feels like a gallery. It's not often in this area where you find a new home, so this is a new home in an older part of Mount Claremont, which has all the benefit of the area with the local Mount Claremont shopping village. You can also walk to the farmers market, primary schools. This is a wonderful location and the most immaculate home.